Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So guys, today in this video I have a special shoe, which is the Puma Premier Ombre walking shoe or running shoe, or you can just wear it as like a sneaker. It gets paired with everything. So I have the box right here. As you can see, this is the Puma box, and don't worry, I'll wear it and show it to you guys as well. So as you can see, this is what you get, like a package, and you get like this, and you get like a moisture control sachet, which is good, but only one of them. So what about the other one? But it's okay. And this is the freaking shoe, guys. As you can see, it looks fabulous, and the finishing on this is amazing. Let me just show you the box content of great shape. As you can see, there's like a small dent over there, but it's fine. I mean, it's understandable because like so as you can see, it is a soft ride, so optimum comfort, and here you can see soft ride, extra cushioning. And on the box you have, this is like a UK 10, so because I am a UK 10, so I'll just show it. Like if you are a 10 size, and if you order a 10 size of a Puma, so will it fit or not? But let me just show you. As you can see, US 11, UK 10, and for authentication you can just scan this and just match it with this QR code, then you can just check if it's real or not. And I ordered this from official Puma website, so I don't know to do it because of course it's going to be good. And on this side of the box, you can see you get all the details about like the product and where it's manufactured. It's manufactured in Vietnam and imported from Vietnam, so it's really good. So yes guys, this is the shoe. As you can see, it looks really good. It has like a red color and black color contrasty Puma iconic logo, and it's like, and here it is like a mesh material which is like extremely breathable, so you won't feel any warm. You won't feel that warm inside when you wear it for like long hours, and And then let's talk about the logos which you get in the shoe, on the shoe, and which is first, this is the logo at the back side. This is the logo. This is like a rubber print logo, and you get the soft ride written over here, as you can see. And this is extremely cushiony, and let me just show you, this is extremely lightweight. Like I've seen shoes which I have worn, and I feel like I'm holding a brick inside my shoe. So that is one thing. It is extremely breathable material, and you get like a tongue. On the tongue you get this like Puma classic logo, and it's like a lace up, so you can just like do this or do this, or like just put it like this if you want. And on the other side you have another Puma logo, which is not like this, but it looks really good, but it's still like a Puma logo, as you can see. And you get like this kind of and this is like full rubber, and but it is like extremely cushiony type, and you get this. And right here, as you can see, one thing which I did not like about this is extremely good material. Let me just show you. This is like a mesh material and like a Velcro material, but it catches dust very easily and it's very hard to remove. So when you wear it like in dusty area, you have to like just clean it like regularly. So if that is the case, if you are gonna take care of your shoe, then there's no worry, you can just get it. And on the downside you have a Puma logo, and this is the grip, and the grip is really nice. I'll wear it and also show it to you guys as well. I'll just wear it and show it to you guys. This is the shoe after wearing it. As you can see, it looks really nice on the feet, and I've paired it with these Puma socks, and as you can see, it looks really nice. The red color gives like a extremely contrasted look. As you can see guys, it looks really well, and also after wearing it, it is very extremely comfortable. As you can see, it is very comfortable, and it does not keep your feet extremely warm because of this material. This is like a soft material, so it won't keep your feet extremely warm when you're wearing it. You can just wear it for hours together, and you won't feel any discomfort or like those kind of things. As you can see guys, you can just wear it while you're running, or you can wear it while walking, because it had like an extremely nice grip. As you can see, this is like a basketball type grip, if you all know. And I've done, if you want to buy a basketball shoe, I've also given a link in the description. You can just watch that one also. It is like a very extremely nice, reasonable Adidas basketball shoe, and it looks really nice on the feet. As you can see, this is like a soft ride patch over here which looks really nice and like a Puma logo over here and it looks really nice on the feet. Today's video अगर आपको वीडियो आज का पसंद आया तो वीडियो को एक लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना अपने दोस्तों के साथ जिनको भी शूज नहीं खरीदना है एंड लाइक Puma जिसको भी पसंद है. एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय बाय एंड पीस आउट.